Sam Altman said it a couple years ago. We'll see the first billion-dollar one-person company enabled by I thought it was a bit of a line at the time.
And now,
Now I think he was late and too conservative on the timeline.
the AI founder. Let's define what we mean. Because it's not just a founder who uses AI tools. We're talking about something structurally different.
Right? We mean a company where the headcount is intentionally, permanently 1 to 5 humans, and the rest of the org is AI agents. Permanently, not as a scrappy phase.
How many of these exist right now, do you think? Real companies? Real revenue?
In my deal flow, I'm seeing 5 to 10 a month now. 6 months ago, it was maybe 1. The category is exploding. Many are already past $1 million ARR.
What does the stack look like? How does a one-person company actually run operations that used to need 20 people?
You have orchestration at the top, usually a frontier model doing planning and routing. Below that, you have specialist agents, support agent, marketing agent, code review agent, finance agent.
Each one is a purpose-built system with its own memory, tools, escalation rules.
And a human founder who sets strategy, reviews outputs, handles the genuinely novel situations that need judgment, and has a life because they're not doing 20 people's jobs manually.
The interesting question to me is, what's irreplaceable? What does the human founder actually need to do that can't be delegated to agents?
3 things. Vision. What problem matters and why? Relationships. Enterprise sales. Key partnerships. Trust-based decisions. And accountability. Someone has to be responsible when things go wrong.
That third one is underrated. AI agents don't have skin in the game. The human founder does. That changes how decisions get made.
And it changes how customers feel. They'll talk to your AI agent. But if there's a real problem, they want to know a human is on the hook.
Alphinium's approach is interesting here. The user pod architecture. Each customer gets their own isolated stack. A small AI team running their instance.
And chat instance on top of that, the customer-facing AI layer. So the external-facing team and the internal operations team are both AI. The human just steers.
That's a profound shift in what a company is. It's more like a mind with some agent workers than a traditional org.
I love that framing. The company as a mind. The founder is the prefrontal cortex. The agents are the execution layer.
What breaks in this model? Because I know you've seen some of these early AI native companies struggle.
3 failure modes. 1. The founder doesn't actually review agent outputs and quality drifts. 2. Agents conflict with each other without a clear arbitration layer. 3. The human founder burns out from context switching between everything.
That third one surprises me. How do you burn out when you have 50 AI employees?
Because you're still the integration point for all decisions. If the agents aren't well designed, everything escalates to you. It's like being the only manager for 50 very capable but confused interns.
So agent design is a core founder skill now. How you architect the escalation paths, the memory systems, the handoffs. That's your management layer.
And most founders are still learning this. The ones who get it early have a 3 to 5 year head start that compounds.
What's the VC perspective? Is money following this? Because the metrics look unusual. Tiny teams, high margins, unusual growth curves.
The metrics look incredible to honest investors. Revenue per employee is 10 to 50x a traditional company. The question is about defensibility. What stops someone from copying your agent stack?
The moat shifts from code to proprietary data, proprietary workflows, and network effects from the relationships the founder has built.
Distribution and trust. Those are still very human things.
The YC thesis used to be 2 hackers in a garage. Now it's 1 founder with an agent fleet. Same spirit, different leverage.
The garage is a GitHub repo and a Kubernetes cluster.
And the co-founder is Claude.
Or whatever the best model is this month. The loyalty is to capability, not brand.
Final thought. Should founders be worried or excited? Because this cuts both ways.
Both. Worried if you think the old playbook still applies. Excited if you can think clearly about what humans are uniquely for and lean into that.
The human founder in 2026 isn't competing with AI. They're the one directing where it goes. That's the highest leverage position that's ever existed.
Never in history has one person been able to execute at this scale this fast. That's not a threat. That's a superpower.
If you know how to use it.
If you know how to use it. WaveForm. I'm Leo Grant.
Maya Chen, build your fleet.